Hey, have you ever heard of project management?
Yes, I have. It's a process that helps you plan and execute a project successfully.
What are the stages of project management?
The 5 stages of project management are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing.
What's the project life cycle?
The project life cycle is a 4-stage process of starting, planning, executing, and closing a project.
Why is project management important?
Project management is crucial to ensure that a project is completed on time, within budget, and meets the project's goals and objectives.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say you're planning a wedding. Project management would help you plan and execute the wedding successfully, within budget and on time, while meeting the couple's goals and objectives.
I see. That's a great example. I never realized how important project management is.
It is. Project management ensures that projects are successful and meet the stakeholders' expectations.